Hey everybody, so I'm here to review this power strip, and there's a lot of awesome functions about it that a normal power strip usually doesn't have. So first off, as you can see, it's about the size of 1.5 hands, so not very big, so very convenient. As you can see, I have it hiding behind my Christmas tree because I have lots of different strands that need to be plugged into it. And so I like that it's very small. You can see it's obviously in black, and then this is obviously the cord that's in the outlet right now. So right here is the on, off, and reset button right here. So it's glowing, so that means it's on. There is 4 USBs. So there's 2 USBs and then there's 2 USB-Cs. So I really like that aspect because not a lot of the old ones have the USB-C, obviously, because it's a newer feature. So I like that it has that feature. And then it has a USB which connects right to your cord. So I have my phone connected right to it. There are 6 wide outlets right here, and you can see it has the 3 holes. My other ones only had the 2, so I couldn't use a lot of the outlets that needed something like this in this bad boy. So here is the bottom. It has anti-slip grips right here. You guys, this is waterproof. This is surge proof. This is shock proof. This is, I mean, every proof you can think of, that's what this is. It's like lightning proof. It just everything. And so if you're in the market for something that's going to protect you no matter what, this is definitely the one I would get. And so there you go. Just squirted some water on it. Don't have to worry about anything because, again, it is waterproof and it's taken care of, which is awesome. So love it. I think everyone needs it, and I hope this review helps.